Hey, this is Jim Cajun Trail, y'all. We out here giving y'all full coverage on hurricane versus. Winds are up to about 90 miles an hour here. Get some dust. Gonna be all right. Man, well, we don't have no rain yet, but the water's still around us. We got lots of water. We're flooded. Lots of water around us. We're gonna give y'all as much coverage as we can. But the water's up, the wind blows. Y'all stick with us. Come on, we gonna be back.